and I may need to spend the rest of my life seeking for love.
Ladies and gentlemen, first, let's welcome our players entering the court.
想被曝光啊？
我就是第一次在现场看到他的球迷互动，感觉还挺好玩的。
好玩啊！当时是谁给我看聊天记录说两个人没有半点关系来着？
那个时候真的没有关系。
哦。
To everyone who is now watching our live broadcasting, as reminded by my colleague, there is one important guest here. Let's welcome Lin E-Young. Hello, Lin. Don't you want to say hello to us?
Lin, I suppose you are here today to see your old friends? Everyone, you might not know that almost all the male players here have played with Lin. They must be disappointed this time that they have no chance to play with Lin again.
Maybe not. Barry just posted one update on her social media saying, "Thank you, Lin, for not signing up for this tournament. No single player wants to see him, not at all."
对，真是看热闹不嫌事儿大。
Barry just posted another one. Please look for the video from last year's tournament. The game of the last 16, I assure you that you will discover a huge secret.
坏了，又曝光了。
We have 2 Chinese players in the audience. It seems that our female player will celebrate with them.
Can't find a close-up, but Lin
你发现了吧？就一个镜头都能看得出来。
谁知道他们会放录像啊
We do realize that the lady in the playback is now in our tournament. She is about to start her quarterfinal. The day before, this lady played an extraordinary game against her opponent, and she defeated the champion of the last tournament.
画面给到你了。这不是扫。
So, Lin, who did you come here for last year? Let me rephrase that. For whom?
Let me rephrase the question. Who are you here for today?
Well, you guys all saw that already. Do I still need to clarify anything?
Oh, sure. You should definitely give us an answer.
Last year, I was at a small bar. That's the first time I saw her. I didn't go inside. Instead, I stood outside and watched her for about 5 minutes. Of course, she didn't know this. I can still recall my thoughts at that moment. I have to meet her. I have to go inside, buy her a drink, and get her number tonight. I know exactly what I was thinking. I knew she's the one. But I have no idea how to approach her or what to say to impress her. She's so pretty. I was scared to make any mistakes. Trust me, I was really afraid of screwing it all up.
I got it. So today, you did it.
Yeah, I hope so. And I think I will make it.
What? Is he saying that he hasn't made it yet?
Lynn, you really disappointed us. You were the most outstanding star player, and you haven't won your love? Unbelievable.
It's heartbreaking to know that.
你快说出真相算了，人家明显是不会放过你的。要再这样下去，估计全场都得疯。
To be honest, tonight's rating is all relying on you.
Yes, you left us cruelly that time. Now you must give us something for everyone here.
Well, what can I even say? She's so perfect. And I might need to spend the rest of my life seeking for her love. So, I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry at all.
Thanks so much, old pal. Let's have a drink after the game. It's on me. Don't worry.
天哪，真的太感动了，我都要哭了。